The wolf, a creature both revered and misunderstood, has long captured the imagination of humans throughout history. This majestic animal, a symbol of wilderness and freedom, embodies a complex blend of beauty, intelligence, and social intricacy. Wolves belong to the Canidae family, which also includes foxes, coyotes, and domestic dogs. But they stand out with their unique characteristics and behaviors that have intrigued biologists and animal enthusiasts alike. Wolves are known for their striking physical features. With a lean, muscular build, they are perfectly adapted to their roles as apex predators. Adult wolves typically weigh between 50 to 110 pounds, depending on the species, with the gray wolf being the largest. Their thick fur, which can vary in color from pure white to deep black, serves as insulation in cold climates and camouflage in diverse environments. Wolves possess keen senses, particularly their sense of smell, which is estimated to be 100 times more sensitive than that of humans. This remarkable olfactory ability allows them to detect prey from miles away, making them formidable hunters. The habitat of wolves is as diverse as their appearance. They can be found in a variety of ecosystems, ranging from the frozen tundras of the Arctic to the dense forests of North America and the vast grasslands of Eurasia. Wolves are highly adaptable creatures, able to thrive in environments that are inhospitable to many other species. They typically require large territories to roam and hunt, often spanning hundreds of square miles, which is essential for their survival. The availability of prey, such as deer, elk, and smaller mammals, largely determines their range. As they traverse their territories, wolves leave behind scent markings to communicate with other members of their pack and to establish dominance over their hunting grounds. The social structure of wolves is one of their most fascinating aspects. Wolves are inherently social animals, living in family units known as packs. A typical pack consists of an alpha male and female, their offspring, and sometimes other related individuals. The alpha pair leads the pack, making decisions about hunting, territory, and social interactions. This hierarchical structure fosters cooperation and cohesion among pack members, which is crucial for their survival. Packs can range in size from just a few individuals to over a dozen, depending on the availability of resources and the specific environment. Within the pack, there is a strong sense of loyalty and cooperation. Wolves engage in various social behaviors, such as grooming, play, and vocalizations, which strengthen their bonds. They communicate through a complex system of howls, growls, and body language, each sound serving a distinct purpose. Howling, in particular, plays a vital role in maintaining pack cohesion, helping to locate each other over long distances and to announce their presence to rival packs. The haunting sound of a wolf's howl can evoke a sense of wilderness and mystery, resonating through the forests and mountains where they roam. Wolves are also known for their remarkable hunting strategies. They are primarily nocturnal hunters, using their acute senses to track and stalk prey under the cover of darkness. Unlike some solitary predators, wolves rely on teamwork to take down larger animals. They often employ a technique called stalking, where they work together to surround and exhaust their prey, using their endurance to outlast them. This cooperative hunting not only ensures a successful kill, but also reinforces the social bonds within the pack. After a successful hunt, the pack shares the spoils, with the alpha pair typically eating first, followed by the rest of the pack. This communal feeding reinforces their social hierarchy and strengthens their family ties. The significance of wolves in the ecosystem cannot be overstated. As apex predators, they play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their habitats. By controlling prey populations, wolves help prevent overgrazing and promote healthier ecosystems. For instance, in Yellowstone National Park, the reintroduction of wolves in 1995 had profound effects on the entire ecosystem. As wolves hunted elk, they reduced the elk population, allowing vegetation to recover in overgrazed areas. This resurgence of plant life led to increased biodiversity, benefiting numerous other species, including beavers, birds, and smaller mammals. The cascading effects of wolves on their environment illustrate the intricate web of life and the importance of each species within it. Wolves also hold cultural significance in many societies. Throughout history, they have been portrayed in mythology, folklore, and literature, often embodying the duality of nature, both as fearsome predators and as symbols of loyalty and family. In some indigenous cultures, wolves are revered as spiritual guides and symbols of strength. Their presence in stories and legends has shaped human perceptions of wilderness and the natural world, reflecting both admiration and fear. The wolf's image has been used in various contexts, from the iconic Big Bad Wolf of children's tales to the noble and wise creatures in Native American stories, showcasing the complexity of human-wolf relationships. Despite their ecological importance and cultural significance, wolves have faced numerous challenges due to human activities. Historically, they were hunted to near extinction in many regions, driven by fears of livestock predation and a desire to eliminate competition for game. This persecution led to a significant decline in wolf populations, particularly the contiguous United States. However, conservation efforts have gradually helped to restore some wolf populations, highlighting the resilience of these animals and the growing recognition of their role in ecosystems. In recent years, the conversation around wolves has shifted, with many advocating for their protection and coexistence with human communities. Education and awareness campaigns have aimed to dispel myths and promote understanding of wolves' behavior and ecological roles. Livestock protection measures, such as fencing and guardian animals, have been implemented to mitigate conflicts between wolves and farmers. These efforts emphasize the need for a balanced approach to wildlife management that acknowledges the complexities of human-wolf interactions. Anecdotes from wildlife enthusiasts and researchers often illuminate the extraordinary lives of wolves. One such story comes from a wildlife biologist who spent years observing a pack in the remote wilderness of Canada. He recounted a particularly cold winter when food was scarce and the pack was struggling to find enough to eat. One day, he witnessed the alpha female leading her pack to a frozen river, where she used her keen instincts to find a cache of deer carcasses buried beneath the snow. The pack worked together, digging through the icy layers to uncover their meal. This moment encapsulated the resilience and intelligence of wolves, showcasing their ability to adapt and thrive in harsh conditions. Another captivating tale involves a lone wolf who ventured far from his pack in search of new territory. This young male traveled hundreds of miles, navigating through forests, mountains, and valleys, facing numerous challenges along the way. His journey was fraught with danger, from encounters with rival packs to the perils of crossing busy roads. Yet, driven by an instinctual need to find a mate and establish his own territory, he persevered. Eventually, he found a suitable area, marked his territory, and attracted a female. Their union marked the beginning of a new pack, continuing the cycle of life and the enduring spirit of wolves. As we reflect on the story of wolves, it becomes clear that these animals are more than just predators. They are integral players in the intricate tapestry of life on Earth. Their characteristics, social structures, and ecological roles highlight the complexity of nature and the interconnectedness of all living beings. The wolf's howl, echoing through the wilderness, serves as a reminder of the wild places that still exist, inviting us to appreciate and protect the natural world. In a time when many species face the threat of extinction, the story of the wolf is one of hope and resilience. Conservation efforts, driven by a growing understanding of the importance of biodiversity, have sparked a renewed interest in protecting these magnificent creatures. As we strive to coexist with wildlife, the wolf stands as a symbol of the untamed spirit of nature, urging us to embrace the wilderness and recognize our shared responsibility to preserve it for future generations. In conclusion, the narrative of wolves is woven with threads of beauty, complexity, and significance. From their remarkable physical adaptations to their intricate social structures and vital ecological roles, wolves embody the essence of the wild. They remind us of the delicate balance of nature and the importance of every species in maintaining that balance. As we continue to learn from and about these extraordinary animals, we are called to respect their place in the world and to advocate for their protection, ensuring that the wolf's legacy endures for generations to come.